Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to apologize about not having any content for the last few weeks. Once that Ford left, I made the decision to go ahead and upgrade the shop. We're gonna put AC, I am putting in AC in, and I'll show you what I've been doing in the last week and a half. I've actually been very busy. The AC stuff is here. I'm doing the floors. We're gonna seal the floor with a densifier. It'll be here in a few days. We're gonna get that done. I've already got the concrete pads poured. Yesterday I poured. I'm making a video of the AC install. We're gonna do video of doing the floors, and I'm gonna flip the camera around and we'll walk you around and show you the couple things I've been doing. But I'm gonna get the shop set up. We're gonna get some banners put up. We're gonna start making the shop more like how I want it and not just a plain shop. It needs some personalized touch, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be hanging up some banners. I'm gonna be doing the floors, rearranging everything. A lot of the stuff behind me is gonna stay where it is. The plasma table will go back where it is when I move it. But I'm going to rearrange back over here where that motor is and all this. We're gonna get rid of this clutter and make it a more usable space, if you get what I mean. So let me go ahead and turn the camera around, like I said, and we'll show you what I've been doing. We'll bring you around and show you the pad that I did yesterday. My very first pad that I've ever done. Usually the concrete's done by some friends that I hire because I like to support local, support your friends the best way you can. And here are the pads that I did. Like I said, they came out nice. I'm happy with them. They are 23 by 40. I've got a nice big size AC system I'm putting in. It's a 36,000 BTU. I'm running 2 of them. 6 tons total. I gotta water these down, pop the boards off in a little bit. Added some dirt back here. We're gonna be leveling this out a little bit. I'll be adding some more. Put up a new fence. Over here, I put a new fence up in the front as well. Added some dirt. I'm gonna bring in some dirt to level off that wall that I did. There's another fence I did. And then I'm also doing drainage, just like I did on my shop. My shop comes down, and then there's 6-inch piping that goes down and comes out that wall. Well, that's what I'm doing here as well. I took a break on it so I can install the AC and do the floors. But as you can see, I've got an adapter that goes from the gutter to the pipe. And then I buried some 4-inch pipe all the way down. And it comes out on the other side of this wall. I'll walk you around it and show you real quick, because this video is just gonna be an update of what's going on and just kind of get back talking with you guys to show you what's going on and keep you informed, keep you in the loop. I love having this retention pond over here. Full-size lake right over there. This has got 3 different retention ponds in it, and it really nice. I don't have to worry about worry about flooding or anything like that. This is the wall I built a while back, and there's the drain for one of my gutters. I got a few more to do. I want to do the gutter. There's one in the back of the house. I'm going to split them gutters. There's 3 of them. I'm going to run them into a 6-inch pipe. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's all we've been doing. Got the vehicles laid out. You know how they do. But I want to thank everyone for being patient with me as I do this stuff. I normally have content out once a week. I really don't have anything. I'm working on the video for the AC, and then I'm going to do a video for the floors when it comes in. It's a densifier sealer. It penetrates. So we're going to gut everything out of this shop, and I'm going to rent some storage containers, as I don't have room for all this in my garage. Currently right now, the electricians are here. Central Florida electricians. They're here running the power. Well, they're not here. They ran down to get some supplies. But they're running the power for me so we can get these ACs installed. I'll let that concrete cure. But next week, y'all should have a video of the ACs getting done. And then we can move on to gutting this shop. I got here, let me switch this camera around. I've got other vehicles ready to come in. I've got a Monte Carlo that's coming in that was taken to another shop. I have, unfortunately, a slight long wait because it's just me inside the shop by myself. I work as fast as I can and as efficient as I can, or effective, but still keep my quality up. You know what I mean? So I've got a Monte Carlo coming in. Somebody attempted to put a big block in it. It doesn't run. I only got half the job done and dipped. So I'm gonna try to get that motor running. If we can't, then we might LS swap it. I've got a C10 coming in instead of one of the 50 sedans. The gentleman's gonna do his pickup truck instead. I've got the Ram, 2025 Ram. We got my 2016 I need to build. I've got quite a bit of stuff. So all these little projects I got to do in here, we got to get them done. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.